Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking this vegetarian Guilin rice noodle. Guilin rice noodle is very different from the Cantonese rice noodle on both the look and the texture. Guilin rice noodle is thicker and more chewy. This is a vegetarian version, but you can also add your favorite meats if you want. Okay, let's get started now. Before starting cutting, chopping, and frying, we cook the rice noodle first. As I said just now, Guilin rice noodle is thicker, so it needs more time to cook it soft. I used 180 grams of dried Guilin rice noodle today, which should be 2 persons portion. Put the rice noodle to the boiling water and cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, turn the heat off and leave the rice noodle to the pot. The rice noodle is still hot now, so leaving it to the pot with hot water, the hot water will continue softening the rice noodle. Now we can move to prepare other ingredients. 2 handfuls of Napa cabbage. Cut the Napa cabbage to about 2 cm wide and 5 cm long. I have some mini Napa cabbage leftovers, so I used that bit as well. 6 slices of carrots, cut it to small strips. 3 shiitake mushrooms, and cut it to slices. Some vegetarian barbecue pork, cut it to slices. If you can't find this ingredient, you can replace it with yuba or other ingredients. I also used some pressed hard tofu and bamboo shoot, but I forgot to turn on the camera when I was cutting them to slices. These are all the ingredients we need today. Finally, we prepare a sauce. 2 teaspoons light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, some white pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon vegetable and mushroom seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, 20 ml water. Mix them well and put aside waiting to be used. Put 1 tablespoon oil to the hot pan. Put the mushroom and pressed hard tofu in. Pan fry the mushroom until the aroma is slightly released, and pan fry the pressed hard tofu until both sides is slightly brown. And then mix the hard tofu and the mushroom, give them a few toasts and push to the side. Add 1 more tablespoon of oil to the pan. Put the Napa cabbage in and put 1/2 teaspoon salt to the Napa cabbage. Toast until the Napa cabbage is slightly softened. If you see the Napa cabbage is getting a little bit burned, add some water in to prevent the Napa cabbage getting burned. And then mix with the pressed tofu and mushroom, give them a few good toasts, and transfer to the plate. It is not necessary to wash the pan, just use the kitchen paper towel to dry it up. Add 1/2 tablespoon oil to the pan. Saute the bamboo shoot for about 1 minute. Put the vegetarian barbecue pork in, give them a few good toasts, then we can put the rice noodle in. We also put the sauce in at this stage. Remember to give a good stir to the sauce before pouring to the pan. As the rice noodle is still too hot to my standard, so I added about another 20 ml water to the rice noodle. This is not necessary if the rice noodle texture has reached your standard. Put the lid on and let it cook for 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, open the lid. The sauce is almost evaporated. Give the noodles a few toasts, then put all the ingredients in. Mix all the ingredients with the rice noodles and stir fry the rice noodles for about 1 minute. Do a final tasting, add more salt if needed. Give the rice noodles few final toasting, then this stir-fry vegetarian Guilin rice noodle is done. What a beautiful color combination, and it looks and actually it is very delicious. Give this recipe a try and I hope you will like it too. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next video. Bye!